Yeah, we're gonna close this. Yeah. Yeah, you can pull it. Oh, yeah. Stretch it open. Okay. It's mostly
it's just
a psychological barrier for him. Okay, so. Oh, this is absolutely amazing. Because if he runs in any direction, it's freeway everywhere. It's okay. All right, this went according to plan. Danny? It's okay, come here. Come on. Good girl. Come on, it's okay, it's okay. Hey, good girl, come here. It's okay. Oh, it's a boy. It's a boy. I'm sorry. I meant a boy. Okay. The problem is if I go towards him, I have very little ability to move left and right. Alright. I might just have to come in. I'm gonna come in. There's no other way. Well. The problem is I can't catch him like this, and I don't have light, and I have spider webs everywhere. Oh boy! Come on, go boy!
Can you walk towards him?
I'm halfway through. The problem is if he's gonna bite, I'm gonna have a problem.
If you what?
If he's gonna bite me, it's gonna be a problem.
He seems like a nice guy. He's just very scared.
I knew you were gonna make me crawl under the freeway all the way. It's just my luck. Okay, he's coming to you, Danny.
I see him. I can't use the snare.
It's okay, let him get to you and get comfortable and maybe sit down.
Okay.
That would be very nice.
I get it.
Oh, Grandpa? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, good boy.
Just to make sure he is.
It's okay.
Hey, boy. I thought he had a collar on him. I guess he didn't.
Just be careful not to fly into me.
hungry. Oh, he's hungry. He's huge. Holy snap, he's big. We're gonna go open that. Now that he's there, we can open that up.
Good boy. It's okay. It's okay. Just sit. It's
You
okay.
don't need the light anymore?
No, thank you.
You want me to open the thing, the top?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Let me secure him first. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, that's it.
That's it. Got it? Yeah. You want me to hold something?
I don't know what to do. It's amazing. Look at you.
Okay, let me grab the other leash.
No, if you guys will bring me the cage,
Okay.
let's do that.
Help us with the cage.
Yes, please.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't think he'll eat anything.
At least he can
We
smell
come
it.
in peace. And pieces of chicken, no? Hey. Look. I have a lucky leash for you.
Oh, you got one.
Of course.
I was gonna give you this one.
Good boy. Want to go for a walk?
Hi, Papa. Hi, baby.
Good boy.
Hi, Papa.
He's so skinny.
Okay. Let's go. Ready?
Worth a drive.
Yeah, I'm so happy you.
Especially when it comes to this moment. Yeah, of course.
Okay. Let's do this. You can trust us, okay? Hey? Yeah, you're an old man, huh? You're smart enough to know. This is good stuff. All right, come on. Let's do this. I just don't want to leave this side open. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Good boy. Okay, all right. Don't bite me, okay? Him. And then I have to go, I'll have to go in again. Okay. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Good job, guys. Thank you. That was amazing.
And he's so gentle, isn't he?
He's so nice.
Papa.
Oh,
Such a good boy.
that's it. Just push. I'm just gonna. Hi, Devin.
Oh, Dad.
Thank you guys so much.
Great.
Thank you. I'll give you posted, okay? Hello, everybody. Look what I found.
Hi, sir. Vicky. Be nice. Hi. Be nice. Fine.
My picture?
Yeah, I sent you.
What? Hi. Yes. Good. It's registered to something like that. Long-term care, so in the hospital, whatever is doing something.
Max, come here. Video from far away? I think he's wagging his tail. Right? Good boy.